Hello grade 2, this is Ms. Dania, your math teacher. In this lesson, you are going to learn about equivalent fractions, the half and the 2/4. These two fractions are equal, and because they are equal, we call them equivalent fractions. Any two fractions that they are equal, we call them equivalent fractions. Now, how can I know that they are equal? Let's have a piece of paper, one whole paper. Fold this paper into two equal parts. After that, take one part and color it with orange. Then, fold the paper again. After you finish, unfold your paper. At the beginning, it was one whole part, or one piece of paper. In step number 2, you got two pieces, one of them colored with orange. Let's focus on the orange part. This part is 1 out of 2. The orange piece here is 1 out of 2. The same orange piece, it's not 1 out of 2 anymore, now it's 2 out of 4. I'm still talking here about the same piece of paper, the same orange piece. It was 1 out of 2, now it's 2 out of 4. That's why these two fractions are equal. Okay, let's have another example. Let's go to the next page. Two papers, both of them they have the same size. The first paper I cut it into 2 equal parts. The second one I cut it into 4 equal parts. Now look at the white part here. It has the same size with this white part. But here it is 1 out of 2. Here it's 2 out of 4. And because both of them they have the same size, it means that they are equal. That's why we have to say that the 1 out of 2 and the 2 out of 4 are equal. Another example. I have here 8 red circles. They are asking me to cut these 8 red circles into 2 groups. Why 2? The denominator says 2. I have to find the half. It says 2 here, so I will cut them into 2 parts. And I have to find the 1 out of 2, the half. How many red circles can you find inside the half? The answer will be 4. So, again, we are going to find the half of the 8 circles. So, you have to find how many circles inside one group out of 2. The answer will be 4. The same red circles, they are 8, but now I'm not going to cut them into 2 equal parts. I will cut them into 4 equal parts. Then, why did I cut them into 4 equal parts? Because the denominator says 4. So I have to put them into 4 groups. Now, 1 out of 4. So you have to find the quarter. How many red circles can you find inside one group? Inside the 1/4. There are 2 red circles. What about the 2 groups? 2 out of 4. How many red circles can you find inside the 2 groups out of 4? There are 4 red circles. Look at number 4 here and look at number 4 here. They are same, so the half and the 2/4 are equal. The last example, it's a challenge. I have 12 blue circles and they cut them into 2 equal parts. They are asking me to find the 2/4. So, because the denominator says 4, you will cut them into 4 equal groups. Then, you have to find how many blue circles inside 2 of these 4 groups. 2 groups. 1 group, 2 groups. If I count the circles, there are 6 blue circles inside these 2 groups. 6 blue circles. So the 2/4 of number 12 equals 6. Okay, I have a question now. My 12 blue circles, when I cut them into 2 equal parts, what's the half of 12? You have to find how many blue circles inside one group out of 2. And the answer will be 6. That's why the 2 out of 4 again and the 1 out of 2 are equal. Thank you.